This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
In this video, we are going to learn how to solve proportions. A proportion is an equality of two ratios. The ratios in a proportion are equivalent. Two ratios are equivalent if you can multiply or divide both numbers in one ratio by the same value to get the other one. When they ask us to solve a proportion, we'll be given two equivalent fractions that represent the same ratio, and there will be one unknown, either the numerator or the denominator of one of the two fractions. We can use what we know about equivalent ratios to find the value of our unknown. Let's look at one example. Solve the proportion 7 over 1 equals p over 5. We need to find the value p so that p over 5 is equivalent to 7 over 1. Since one of the numerators is unknown, then we will compare the denominators 5 and 1. And we ask, 1 times what is 5? The answer is 5. So, to get p from the other numerator 7, we also multiply by 5. The other numerator is then 7 times 5, 35. This tells us that 35 over 5 and 7 over 1 are equivalent ratios, and p equals 7 multiplied by 5, 35. Here's the next example. 3 over 6 equals 33 over a. We need to find the value a so that 33 over a is equivalent to 3 over 6. Now, one of the denominators is unknown, so we will need to compare the numerators 3 and 33. 3 times what is 33? 11. So, to get a from the other denominator 6, we also need to multiply by 11. The other denominator is then 6 multiplied by 11, 66. 3 over 6 and 33 over 66 are equivalent ratios. A equals 66. Here's the next example. 2 over s equals 24 over 84. Let's find the value s so that 2 over s is equivalent to 24 over 84. If the denominator s is unknown, then we need to compare numerators. Since 24 is more than 2, in this case the question we ask is 24 divided by what is 2? The answer is 12. So, to get s from the other denominator 84, we need to divide by 12 too. The other denominator is then 84 divided by 12, 7. 2 over 7 and 24 over 84 are equivalent ratios, and s equals 7. Here's the next example. 63 over 98 equals c over 14. Let's find the value c so that c over 14 is equivalent to 63 over 98. Our unknown is a numerator, so we need to compare the denominators. Correct. 98 is greater than 14, so the question is 98 divided by what is 14? 7. So, to get c from the other numerator, 63, we need to divide by 7 as well. The other numerator is then 63 divided by 7, 9. 63 over 98 and 9 over 14 are equivalent ratios, and c equals 9. So, to solve a proportion, determine which number you're multiplying or dividing one ratio by to get the other. Good job!
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.